Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make chili relleno batter. First, let's understand what makes a perfect batter. It's all about achieving that delightful balance of crispiness and flavor, ensuring it beautifully encases your roasted chilies. We'll cover the essential ingredients and the simple steps to create a light, airy coating that truly elevates your dish. Get ready to transform your chilies into culinary masterpieces with this easy-to-follow guide. Let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder for the dry mix. For the wet components, separate 3 large eggs, placing the whites in one bowl and the yolks in another. To the yolks, add a pinch of salt and a dash of milk. These simple components are the foundation for a truly exceptional chili relleno batter. Now let's focus on consistency. First, whip your egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks. This is crucial for an airy batter. In a separate bowl, gently fold the dry ingredients into your egg yolk mixture until just combined, avoiding overmixing. Finally, carefully incorporate the whipped egg whites into the batter. This gentle folding technique ensures a light, fluffy texture that will perfectly coat your chilies. For the perfect finish, lightly dust each roasted chili with a bit of flour before dipping it into your prepared batter. This helps the batter adhere beautifully. Heat about 2 inches of oil in a pan to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the coated chilies into the hot oil and fry them until they are golden brown, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Enjoy your perfectly crispy chili rellenos.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.